Abdullah, it's time for Quran. Abdullah.
Okay. Anyway, so you guys also leave your stuff and get ready for the Quran class.
Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Read Al-Quran the easy way. Lesson number 20, on silent letters. Now let's learn something new, which is called silent letters. If fatha, kasra, or dhamma is followed by a sukoon or shadda, then we don't read the letters in between. They don't have any sign on them. No sign on a letter means no sound at all. Now let's practice some words that have silent letters in them. Also, repeat after me twice. So in this word, there is a sukoon letter, and before it is a silent letter, and before the silent letter is a fatha letter. So the silent letter is highlighted with red, and it has no sign on it, so we don't make any sound at all. And we read it like this. فَالْيَوْمَ. Repeat after me twice. فَالْيَوْمَ. 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 وَالْقَمَرَ. 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 بِالْآخِرَةِ. 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 Now, let's practice words that have more than one silent letter in them. فِي الْأَرْضِ. فِي الْأَرْضِ. فِي الْأَرْضِ. وَأُولُو الْأَرْحَامِ. وَأُولُو الْأَرْحَامِ. وَأُولُو الْأَرْحَامِ. Now let's practice some words that have a shadda letter after the silent letters. وَالشَّمْسِ. 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 عَلَى اللَّهِ. عَلَى اللَّهِ. عَلَى اللَّهِ. إِلَى الَّذِينَ. إِلَى الَّذِينَ. إِلَى الَّذِينَ. في الدنيا. في الدنيا. في الدنيا. وعملوا الصالحات. وعملوا الصالحات. وعملوا الصالحات. MashaAllah! You guys were awesome in repeating after me. I will talk more about these silent letters in the next part. So stay tuned. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.